This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Ireland. Welcome home. Single-family detached condo in Greenbrier area. Open floor plan with spacious kitchen with new kitchen floor, primary bedroom on main level and 2 large bedrooms upstairs, hardwood floors in living room/dining area, freshly painted downstairs, tons of storage options, walk-in attic, and fenced backyard/patio which backs up to the lake. Enjoy the community amenities such as pool, clubhouse, gazebo, fountains, and walking trails. Convenient to shopping, dining, entertainment venues, Chesapeake City Park, and interstate access. Condo fees include pool, clubhouse, ground maintenance, trash pickup, water, and sewer.